Do you want to know how I went from this to this? Keep watching. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year to all of you. I hope you guys are doing fine. So today I'll be using this bead board I got from Temu. We have the 18 centimeters, 17, 16 and 15. And down we have like this roller kind of shape or idea. So today I'll be using the 18 centimeters to make some beads, glass bead bracelet. They're really cute. I got these glass beads from Temu as well, and they're really affordable. I hope you really enjoy the process. This is my first time using this board, and I think it saves a lot of time because using this board you'll be able to know how many beads can go in a bracelet, and that's gonna make the process way easier for you. So this is the string I use. You can use any one of your choice. I got this one from Timo as well, and I got these little scissors from there too. You can get any scissors of your choice. So we'll be using the 18 centimeters. As I said, 18 centimeters is equivalent to about 7.0 inches. You can either use the 18 or the 17. 17 centimeters will give you about 6.6 inches of bracelet, but an average size is usually 7. So as you can see, I'm kind of just counting the beads, and for the 18 centimeters it took about 25 beads to do that, and these bead sizes were 0.3 inches. So that's what I'll be using, and I hope you enjoy as we make the bracelets together.